the little company that could from Oxfordshire has been part of inspiring a group of members of Parliament and Lords to create an all-party parliamentary group for digital currencies here today and tonight in the Houses of Parliament. We've just done the signing of papers to form this group. We have the MPs, the members of Parliament, the members from the House of Lords participating in this. We've had our first dinner where industry and the House of Parliament came together to discuss the issues around blockchain adoption, around digital currencies, around the regulatory space.
What was great about this evening was it reminded me, it reminded all of us, that we're still in the first steps of this journey. We're still in the first steps of this so-called blockchain revolution. For the vast majority of people, for the vast majority of members of Parliament, for members of the House of Lords, for legislators and governments, this is such a new area. This is so impenetrable, it's difficult for them to understand. So what we're doing today was part of that journey of education that everyone has to go on. But it was that first step. They were learning about blockchain technology, they were learning about digital currency, they were learning about lea coins. And every journey begins with the first step. And one of those first steps was taken here, was taken tonight. And when we look back in a year's time, we will be amazed by what has been achieved, by what has changed in the UK and perhaps across the world with this incredible new revolutionary technology.
And me, for one, as the CEO of Leo, as an executive within the Leo Coin Foundation, as a co-founder of the Digital Currency Foundation, I'm very, very proud of what we are doing here. And truly, the sky is the limit. If you see it, you can do it. And that's kind of what we're trying to live here today.